Hi everyone, welcome back to Defi Dragon. In this video, I will show you how to create a token on Robinhood chain. First of all, you have to visit robinsmith.fun. It's a launchpad built on the top of Robinhood blockchain and navigate to create token, where you can create 3 to 4 kinds of token: a simple standard token, reflection token, and deflationary token. Also you can create a advanced mode token. Like, if we have to create a simple standard token, first we have to connect our wallet. Here you can see our wallet is connected, and make sure your wallet must have ETH on Robinhood chain. So we can write the token name here like Robin Smith, and the token symbol RBS, and here we can increase or decrease the token supply, and here is the decimals. We can reduce the decimals to the minimum 6 and the maximum 18. If we want to create a advanced token, here is the advanced mode. You can um, mark any option like capped minting, so your maximum supply here, and how much you want to mint. Like here we want to mint 100 millions, but our maximum supply is 200 millions. And holder burning, like not from the public wallet, it's burned from our own wallet, like owner wallet. And here you can set the fee rate, buy tax, sell tax, and transfer tax. Here you can set the uh, reception address who will receive the taxes. Also you can here add a blacklist, whitelist, and the pass mode. Also you can enable the anti-whale, like a maximum wallet, the percentage, and the maximum transaction. And here let we talk about the token creation fee. So simple token creation fee is 0.08, and the standard the advanced mode and the reflection mode and the deflationary mode have uh, 0.0258. So you can here check the reflection token and the reflection fee, and here is the deflationary token. So that's it.